Tizawabi today poxy. Africa poxy. Tuma titi working vami. Tisanira karazia zawabi. Tumala tikoma. Tiri dike foro. Malagaba wana suma dike iyire. Batiri koma. Kitasi. Tuma de la Africa poxy. Tuma de la Africa poxy. Fusa butter. 2 year to 8 la salati la wonto. Ti koho intis inga zawabi. Ti tuma bangi yeti. Oh, ti namreme. Tuma sinime de gare tinga su. De kasi wo yina yeti yina sumpo. Benzo la danga tumama amale de Africa zawabi. Yes, we are the distinguished women of Africa. We are so proud of ourselves. When we go to the farm and the rain is oozing and there is a big tank, what we do is we use the natural leaves and we use our herbs. We mold them for a rescue for us and our children. Yes, indeed, we are the distinguished women of Africa. Women of Africa, we find ourselves in the midst of storms. And we stand up with vigor, we stand up with humility, we stand up with the resilience, our culture and our spiritual life. In diverse ways, no matter the religion we find ourselves. We fight through, we make it to the end, not for ourselves, but for the whole nation. Yes, we are the women of Africa. We are the women of Africa. We are so compassionate. Yes, indeed. We love, but we are courageous and we are fearless. Yes, we are that women of Africa. As we celebrate as we come together to anticipate the celebration of Mother's Day, I say, we are proud women of Africa. Mesdames.